Hygienic conditions are of paramount importance in food processing companies in particular, such as here in this butcher's shop. Such facilities have to be cleaned thoroughly every day. Stationary high-pressure cleaning systems are used in many cases to provide take-off points for high-pressure water at different locations. Detergent can be easily added with the aid of an injector at the take-off point. Using the Inno foam set, foam is produced with a maximum detergent feed of only 5%, and it adheres to machines, fittings and plant for a prolonged period. This enables the stains to be softened and easily flushed away subsequently with high pressure. Detergent feed at the injector is stopped automatically when the operator changes nozzles on the spray lance. The surface is now cleaned from the bottom upwards with the high-pressure jet using fresh water only, and then rinsed down. The grey food quality hose prevents abrasion and marks on floors and walls. Mobile high-pressure cleaners may be used as an alternative to stationary high-pressure cleaning systems. The high-pressure nozzle can be connected directly to the trigger gun for cleaning those awkward areas. Even the most stubborn stains, such as those seen here in the smoking chamber, can be cleaned quickly and effectively with the Inno foam set. The cleaning sequence, that's to say from the bottom upwards, allows the foam at the top to act for longer without the foam solution being diluted. The surface is then rinsed with fresh water from the top downwards. The hard surface cleaner is also connected to the high-pressure system and cleans floors uniformly and thoroughly without splashing walls and equipment. The cargo space of transport vehicles for foods generally has water-resistant floor and wall coatings. Stains can therefore be cleaned as in food processing plants, with foam and high pressure. The small hard surface cleaner is highly effective here, since it maintains a constant clearance between the rotating nozzles and the surface.